Let's make late night ramen. In a bowl, add your cup ramen strained. Next, cucumbers. Lime or lemon juice? I like extra lime. And we're gonna add some lemon juice. Next, add your hot Cheetos. A little bit of tahini. And give it a good mix. This is my go-to late night snack. It's healthy and refreshing. My mouth is watering. Look at the color on the noodles. Let's try it. Let's get a bite with everything. Ramen, Cheeto, and cucumber. Look at that bite. Cheers. This hits every time. The crunch from the Cheetos. I will never eat cup noodles a different way.